Hey guys, today's video let's learn how you can log out of your YouTube account from another devices. First of all, head over to your browser. In my case, I have my Chrome right here. Tap onto your initial and you will see this manage your Google account. So make sure that you are logged into your account first to be able to see the option of manage your Google account. Right at this section, you're going to have to select security and sign-ins. And here, scroll all the way below. Under manage all devices, you will see all the devices where this Google account is logged in. So select manage all devices. If you see any devices that you do not recognize, for example this one, all you have to do is confirm your action by entering a password, and then you will be able to see the option of logout. All you have to do is tap on, then select logout, and then you will be able to log out of that device. This is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.